What's up, guys? I want to do a video and talk about this pair of boots, which is from Antonio Meccariello. This is the Proteo Boot. This is a fully handmade shoe. It has a 360-degree Tirolese construction, which is the braided construction that you see right around here. The boot is made on the Chisel 3 last, similar to the Chisel 2, but with an elongated toe. The upper is a combination of vintage Peabody Kudu, baby box calf on the toe, facing, and heel. This has a Vibram Commando outsole. This is the dark noche or antique noche patina, and I really love this color. It may just be how it comes through on this boot and on this leather, but it's got a very deep red, kind of a deep like mahogany that changes colors drastically depending on the light, and it's just extremely versatile. Despite when you look at this, it's a pretty bold shoe, but this color really pairs well, makes it as subtle as can be, and kind of really allows me to wear it with a number of options. Starting with the fit, because this is the most straightforward, and I've covered this in a lot of my other videos. This is the Chisel 3 last, which this is the first pair that I have on this, but the fit is done with my custom fit adjustment, where we are just kind of reducing the vamp a little bit to allow the instep to have the proper fit and the proper kind of snug support without creating excess room in the vamp. So the fit is extremely well, especially around the ankle. This is a piece with a boot that is often complicated and often kind of constricts your ankle. Whereas this, when you see the pictures or the videos of me wearing this, you can really see the flexion and the mobility in the ankle is extremely comfortable. And I think that just speaks to Antonio's skill and knowledge as a shoemaker. The next part I'll touch on is the leather. So the vintage Peabody Kudu, that's really where I'm going to focus, because the baby box calf, it's a smooth leather. It's extremely soft and supple with a great pore structure. But I think the Kudu is the star of the show. So if you really kind of focus in on this leather, this is a fantastic, naturally textured leather. That is a characteristic that I really appreciate. And whenever I can get a naturally textured leather, that's definitely the route that I'm going to go. I find this leather to be extremely soft and supple. It's gotten even more so the more that I've worn it and the more that it's broken in, and that it really takes polish and takes conditioning oils very well. You can tell that it's already kind of picking up a unique patina and wear pattern just from a few months of wear. Moving into the overall aesthetic, I really have grown to appreciate the 360-degree Norwegian or Tirolese construction. In this case, this robust Commando sole. It really just continues to fill out the textures that are built throughout the entire shoe. But the way that it's done, it creates this silhouette that is very well balanced. But as you can see here, as the welt transitions past the forefoot into the waist, it does get trimmed a little bit tighter. And I just think that creates a very unique silhouette that you don't see very much on shoes that are constructed with a Norwegian braid or a Tirolese construction. You know, it's definitely something that is as functional as it is stylistic from the elements that are built into it. There's nothing here that's purely style or purely design. This is all kind of functional elements of the boot, and that really makes me appreciate this even more. Let me know if you have any questions about, you know, any of those specific details, like the Kudu, the Tirolese construction, the last, or just the overall experience with the boot. I definitely think it's something that can be a bit intimidating because of how bold it is, but I think overall, if it's something that is of interest to you, it's a great contrast of an Oxford boot with a very unique pattern, a very strong contrast, and a heavy texture throughout that really makes this a unique functional boot, which is exactly what I look for in a boot. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.